Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm at Bayou Blaster Car Wash, and we have this Washworld Razor Edge, and this time I'm going to be washing the Ford Ranger, and it's going to be my solo video as well. And we got the Wash Select Pay Station by Unitech, and I'm going to go ahead and get the ultimate wash for $15.
Please add payment for your selection.
Now, I'm going to put the camera on the dash so I can pay.
But please wait while your card is being off. You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Okay, so it just said I've purchased the works wash, but it's actually the ultimate wash.
The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly.
Okay, we got the in-bay announcements, and we got the turbojet sprayer with underbody wash. There we go. Again, we got these familiar LED lights and the Premier dryers.
Please drive forward. Please place car in park.
Okay, so the arm is in position to wash my truck. Well, technically it's still my grandfather's truck, but I still drive it.
The pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Yep, we got the good old pre-soak cleaning product. Now, if you notice something different on the rearview mirror, I just got a haircut a while back, and I also went to the bookstore, got some books, and I went to Cheddar's for lunch today and reunited with my best friend Yahmana Hunter. And I then went shopping at Walmart in Picayune, just for some things. And now I just got here and I'm doing a car wash.
The cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
We got pre-soak cycle number 2. So yeah, last time I did this was on July 4th, 2023 with my uncle in the Nissan Rogue. And this time I'm doing this by myself in the Ford Ranger. And we got these lights glowing right there too. Excuse me. And we got pre-soak soaking. And we got high pressure rinse. Yeah, depending on the pressure of this particular rinse. Yeah, if it's a higher pressure, then it's causing vibrations. So yeah, the arm